Carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen and mixed gas are all used at customer premises during draft beer and cider dispense. Therefore, pubs, restaurants, cafes, clubs, hotels, bar cellars and draft beer stores are all at risk of potentially fatal accidents if a leak occurs. Heineken representatives must only enter into places with CO2-containing atmosphere when authorized, and if the guarding system or handheld measuring device indicates there is no danger. This video from Austria serves to remind us how hazardous a CO2 leak can be and how critical it is we follow Heineken safety guidelines and emergency procedures to keep safe and save lives. Both carbon dioxide and nitrogen are colorless and odorless gases, which makes them difficult to detect. Breathing air with increased concentrations of carbon dioxide gas can lead to effects ranging from heavy breathing and a feeling of suffocation through to loss of consciousness, leading to possible brain damage or even death. If you have a portable gas monitor and it sounds, or if you suspect a gas leak, you must adhere immediately to Heineken's life-saving rules. Leave the cellar immediately. Under no circumstances should anyone remain in the area to investigate. Quickly warn others they must also leave the area and stay outside. Ventilate the area by opening access doors from outside the room, and, if you can do it without re-entering the cellar, turn off the gas supply. Then call for commercial technical services to visit the outlet and to investigate the source of the leak and to take the appropriate corrective action. To follow up for all alarms and leaks, you must raise a near-miss report stating the location and time of the incident, the actions that you took, the results of any subsequent investigation by commercial technical services. This can be done by calling your sales support or operational support team. The GSA website contains all the resources and support you need to understand and follow Heineken's life-saving rules and emergency procedures for suspected gas leaks. Put safety first.